When is it Brunner? It is Brunner when everyone pulls together and gives nothing less than their best. Only when the best craftsmanship and finishing touches come together to create authentic quality made in Germany. Only with the best materials. And maximum precision through high technology and seasoned experts. It is Brunner when aesthetics and functionality form an inseparable whole. When ethical standards are maintained. Selecting only the finest leather and 35 different types of fabric in over 900 different colors, all of which are put through their paces. And only when everything fits like a finely tailored suit, only then it is Brunner. It is Brunner when our local roots reach more than 120 countries around the world. When state-of-the-art methods and traditional craftsmanship go hand in hand. It is Brunner because we aim to win over each individual customer and are tireless in our search for the best possible results. When we succeed in reinventing furniture again and again, while staying true to our values at all times. When ideas become reality through passion, only then it is Brunner.